Hussein's office. When you leave, where can I put these so I can reach them at night?
Yep. I'll set your tray so it's this way next to the bed, and I'll put it over your bed just a little bit, not this far, just so you can reach in there and get your drink whenever you're thirsty in the middle of the night. This is beef broth, so it's hot. And here's your coffee. Ooh, that's still pretty hot, that coffee, Dad. Dork.
We don't have no bread to chew.
What was that, Dad? What did you just say?
I said I don't have no bread or nothing to eat with it.
No. Can't have bread. I usually just drink the broth like a warm drink. I let it cool off some and just drink it. It's still tasty though. But very, very little protein in it. That's why I like the protein drinks. That was the best idea I had in a while.
This is coffee.
Yes. Black coffee, Dad. Yeah, no cream or sugar.
What's in that little...
That's applesauce. They use that for your medicine sometimes.
in this?
Ooh. Yeah, I set it up here only because I was trying to make room. I don't think technically you're supposed to have applesauce, but they might still give you nibbles of it when you eat or take your medicines. There we go. I think I got your phone figured out finally. So you have one less screen. So now you just turn it on. And all you gotta do is push that. Oh! I thought I took that off. Trying to make it easier for you, Dad. There we go. Okay, I think I got it all figured out. I think. All right, so let's see. Here's your... Whoops. Hey, good job. Hey, we'll save that straw, though. You know how you save them. Jeez, now you got me saving straws, Dad. See what you did? Now you got me saving them. Okay, push that button. Push it again, and you're... Well, get rid of this. That's good enough. All right. Try that one more time. So you push either this button or the side button.
I don't use the side button.
You don't use the side button? Okay, so then you push this one again, and it takes you right in. No more farting around with that passcode where your fingers, don't want to hit. And I got to bring a bench grinder or something, maybe a big giant rat file or something to get those nails down. I got some big toenail clippers I use on me.
I tried that.
But that's easier, Dad. All right. Well, I'm going to take off in a few minutes, so I'm going to put this thing on. You want to say something to anybody, Dad? To everybody? I'll send this to them. No? You're kidding.
Goodbye, see you tomorrow.
All right, sounds good.
Wow, look at